Today is Sunday, November 9th, 2025. Back after a little break, looking at the Astro Excel for the month of November, concentrating on the green line. We had to move down late in the week through Friday. We're pushing back up now. And we're coming into the open tonight in an upward mode as we push up to the 20 line till about 8 a.m. on the 11th. We're down to the 13th, up to the 14th, down to the morning of the 16th, up to the 17th, sharp move down to the 18th here. Big swing up to the 20th, down to the 21st, up to the 22nd here, down to the 24th. Then we're kind of flatlining between 0 and plus 10 till we bottom here on the 27th, then get a decent push up to the 30th to close out November. What we have here, we've got some sharp swings here in the middle of the month, starting here on the 16th. Got some really sharp directional moves up and down all the way here until we get to that flat spot on the 23rd. That is, those are pretty powerful directional moves there. So those are the ones to really pay attention to this month. This is a nice push to the upside here, where we're going to be at over the next couple days into that peak on Tuesday. But we're mostly in bullish territory. Although we are in a downtrend now, we should see a little bit of some good swings to the upside direction over the next couple days. And then it's going to be interesting to see how this middle of the month plays out with these sharp directional moves that we don't get all the time. So we'll see how that works out. And then we'll take a look at the weekly dialed in version in tomorrow's video.